That is the credit factor of you. Then in my school, if anybody is having some sort of laziness to come to the school and all, I connect those kids with the physical education teachers and they only have that credit. Okay, so hats off for your selection. And today, Synergy 2024. Synergy is the series of teachers training given by our Malappuram Central Samudaya. We have given teachers training for other subjects from Nazareth School, and we thought that we have to exclusively give training for physical education teachers. That is why you are here. And today we have two sessions. One is by welcome Father to this session. Join me to welcome him. And he is an encyclopedia of CBSE matters. For all doubt or for everything in the CBSE fraternity, we approach him. So definitely you can harvest the benefit from him. And afternoon there will be one. So we have changed the refreshment time of you according to our pattern. Okay, we will let you know everything.
Good morning to all. Thank you, Anna, for your wonderful words and welcome all people who welcomed us to their institution. So, Amina is one of the very active principal among the principal groups. Always she is an energetic person. When I first time I met her, she approached me and asked about everything about me also. And from that day itself, we are communicating whenever there are many programs, ICBSE programs or Sahodaya programs, we are discussing. And one of the best things to come here, there's a good collaboration among the principals and among the schools, which I didn't find anywhere in other states. So we have a good koinonia, synergy in all subjects. After that, now we are conducting this special synergy program for the physical education teachers also. So we have arranged this school as the venue for this session. Okay, thank you so much for welcoming and other good words. So I will introduce myself. Father Thomas and examination CS and CNS Minister as Chief Nodal Supervisor of the evaluation team. So like that I will got a many opportunity in North India. So visited almost all states and different schools for the inspection official and unofficial programs I visited. So I have vast experience in this field and observed many physical education program from different states also. So I can say in Kerala, we have a good education system here, and we are organizing many activities in sports and games. Physical education teachers. So one of my friends, one principal told me we are taking a class for the physical education teachers. So always better to speak in Malayalam also, otherwise mixed language you can use. So I will, both language we can use, language will convey. So today, first session, we will go through the CBSE guidelines. Okay, first session we will go through the CBSE guidelines. So I don't know whether our schools are following the CBSE guidelines strictly in the field of physical education. Let me ask you a question. How many of you are teaching in 11th and 12th as a physical education teachers? Physical education teachers, subject is there. Some other students are very busy with their studies. But if there is a group like this, you can organize many activities there and conduct even
we can conduct the sports activities for the junior students with the help of these